guess we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it.
I didn't make you.
The unit is Natalia from Outre Melted Hairline. I have it in the color ER2 Cinnamon Wine.
Your girl living off what I bet.
This is the stock card, and as you can see, I have the same color the model is rocking, and they have different colors, you all. This is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, two combs on either side, and an additional elastic band for extra protection, you all. This is how the wig is looking straight from the pack. As you can see, it is looking a little shine on camera. I'll go straight in and put the unit on and customize the unit, but first I'll give you a 360.
Have been even more than I could dream of. Every joy.
The unit is hair-to-hair lace, and it is a transparent lace. It is a T-part unit, but you can shift the unit to the right or to the left.
And I learned all of.
I'll be using the bedded spray to lay the lace in, guys. This bedded spray is the bomb.
Wait and see how my arms hold you forever. There's no way you've wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean.
I'll go in and remove the lace.
I'm ready to be a home for you. I'm ready to raise all my dreams and hopes with you. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands.
Now I'll be creating some toddler hair.
Vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to.
I'm going in and tying the lace to make sure these toddler hairs are well laid.
Down to me, You look beautiful in white, and I vowed to protect you for all time. I dream
I am going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder.
to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest of my life. Can be simple, pure and good sometimes, and I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million.
Now we're on to the climax, styling the unit.
Something I need to survive.
I am going in with the styling foam.
I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she said.
This is a gorgeous unit, you all. I am in love with the color, the curls, and the density is not too thick and is not too thin. It is just gorgeous. My only con is the unit sheds a little, but that doesn't take away from the unit because guys, even our natural hair sheds. So the link to this unit will be in the description down below. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Those daisies